why did you initially request the training?
Why did I initially request the training? I think that the issue with our cohort of people, as I mentioned before, is that they have a particular role, which is a technical role, but is also a communicative role. And we spend a lot of time focusing on their technical knowledge and their certification and their training in Salesforce in this case, but we don't put that much time into their ability to communicate. In fact, we assume they can communicate, which is not always true, particularly with a lot of the people that work for us, because they come from non-English speaking backgrounds. They might not necessarily always be confident in every situation. So it's something worth putting time into, and I'm glad we did.
Yeah. What do you think was the main benefit from all of this, or things that surprised you even out of the training?
I think camaraderie actually was quite an unexpected benefit. I don't know why I didn't think that would be a thing, but it was very nice to get a good chunk of my team in a room for 4 hours laughing and enjoying each other's company and doing things together. I mean, that's something that a lot of people in our industry kind of strive for. They was talking about this teaming and getting together in collaborative groups, and often you find that people talk about that and then they go back to their desks and they sit in front of their computer and they work until the next time somebody gets up and talks about teaming.
Do you think there was a benefit for them to find out about one another?
Yes, definitely. Particularly with Smita. Smita was a new hire, and again, was trying to make the numbers up, and she said it was a wonderful experience because she got to learn a lot about her colleagues very, very quickly in a way that wouldn't have been possible for another kind of induction process.
Yes, true.
So it was quite special for her.
Yes. So did it matter whether the subjects of the speeches were business related or personally related?
I don't think so. I don't think so, because I think that a lot of the focus of the speeches was on personal values and drivers, and I think if you can speak, that's the sort of thing that gets people speaking. And I don't personally, I don't know what you think, but I don't personally think it really mattered, so long as you get them speaking.
Well, they were speaking about what was important to them, so that actually, do you think that is something that encourages them to speak up with more assertiveness and confidence, because they really have to define what they think. What do they think about leadership, and what do they think about values, and what do they think about where they're going to be in 3 years' time?
I think that was good. I mean, if you'd have alternatively said, I want you to do a speech on the roll-up trigger on a Salesforce sales opportunity, then they firstly may have been a bit bored, and secondly they may have felt that they may have been judged in terms of whether it was right or wrong. Whereas in terms of kind of your own personal motivations, nobody can say you're wrong.
Yes.
It's personal.
Yes. Yeah, true. Okay. So there's a benefit in that.
I think so. I think it worked quite well.
Good.